High conductor here, deep high conductor, discriminated at 30. My threshold's at 9. My gain's at 96. Reactivity at 3. Alright, about iron here. Something's trying to hide in the iron right here. I believe so. It could be a coin in the iron here. Something deeper. That's very good. There's glass coming out of the soil too. Go very easy with it here. This is when I start destroying relics if I go too hard with them. In this spot here. Right there. Is it a ring? Or is it a big button? It's a humongous button. There's some jewelry. What the hell was that? That's a weird one. And the iron. Penetrating through the iron. What the hell is that? That's a weird one. Is it a light bulb? I think so. It's in really good shape for a light bulb. It really does look like a light bulb. Yeah. It's in really good shape though. It's weird. Usually those just fall apart and just get destroyed as I get them out of the ground. In the iron, right? Through the iron here. I'm just going by tones here. Because I'm discriminated 30. Kind of rejects a lot of that foil here in the park. Obviously something huge here. Big piece of iron there. Should I go for it? Yeah, I'll go for it. Could be a horseshoe. Very well could be a horseshoe. Probably a big pipe. Right there. Something really deep here. Big piece of iron right there. Square washer right there. Let's see what we got going over here. Another nail. Yeah, another nail.
What are you looking for?
Just anything.
Anything?
Yeah. A lot of nails. A lot of iron. There we go. There we go. Big pipe right there. Major overload right there. Sounds irony. Could be a sprinkler head right there. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. There's probably some big iron here. Probably a pipe. There used to be a house sitting right here. So. Yeah. You can see all the rock and stuff here, the gravel from the old house here. It's a rose tag, a really freaking old ass rose tag right there. It's not iron either. You can see it's all rusty. See, it's not iron. My magnet here, not gonna stick to my magnet. It's a really old rose tag, man. I'll have to clean that one up later on. It's an aluminum one right there. Freaking beautiful. Beautiful, man. Freaking awesome, man. There's a lot of iron here too. Nails everywhere. Right? Nails just everywhere. Big old nail right there. Big old piece of iron right here. Right there. Right next to the picnic bench right here. Yeah, sweet target right here. Freaking deep, man. It's deep, deep in the gravel too. This can be hard to get out, man. I was lubed off on my pinpoint here. Come on, baby, go easy with it, right there. Some brass. See the buckle? Look at that, an old freaking buckle right there. Look at that, man. Freaking old buckle. I'll go really easy with this, the rest of this target here. Go very easy with it. Some iron right there. There's some brass right there. Look at that old buckle, man. Freaking beautiful buckle. Beautiful, beautiful buckle. I'll scrub this one with my nylon brush. I'm not gonna scrub it. Oh, look at that beauty coming out, man. That is fragile too. Beautiful ornamental buckle. Look at that. Go really easy with it. Look at that thing, man. Freaking awesome. Right there. Oh, beautiful. Look at that thing. I'll put that in my pocket here. I'm not gonna put that one in my bag because it's so fragile. I'll leave my brush out here because there might be something epic in this holder with it. Go really easy with it. In the gravel. Right there, go easy. Right there. Some junk. Piece of brass right there. Right there, some brass. Right. I'll put my brush away here. I don't want to lose my brush. Go easy. Go easy with it. Oh, go really easy with it. It's a nail right there. I see it. Get rid of a nail. Right there. In the sidewall right here. Another nail right there. Big nail. Right there. Oh, it's a big nail. Right there. Crusty square nail. Okay. We'll get some other targets right up here. No. That was it. In the gravel. Beautiful buckle, man. Beautiful buckle. In the trashy spot too. I've taken a lot of time in clearing out a lot of foil here. I found a lot of jewelry over here and over at the other bench there too. There's gravel right here too. There used to be a house sitting right there, right at the basketball court, right there. Right there in the gravel. Come on. Screamer. Another screamer right here. Right there. Some plastic. Right there. It's plastic. Right there. Oh, coin ball. If I ever saw one. Right there. That is definitely a coin ball, man. Hell yeah. Bring it the freaking hell on, baby. That's it. Penny. Copper. Bam. Coin ballage. Deep high conductor. My gain is up pretty high here too, so I'm gonna overload on a lot of that shallower stuff there. Right? Stomp that plug down really good. Something very huge here. Big iron. Big iron. So a lot of these iron tones are not iron, they're foil, because there's a lot of foil gets deposited in this spot because a lot of people have their birthday parties right here. A lot of foil here, right? This is all foil. All those low tones are foil over there. So I want to find some relics. Go over here, away from this area. Big iron. Screamer around some iron here too. It's not very deep. It should be right there. Right here in the plug. Right there's a coin. Another coin. You gotta beat up parks, man. You gotta beat up parks. You're not gonna find anything at home sitting on your couch, right? It's raining out here today. I'm still having a lot of fun, even though I'm digging up a lot of junk. You know, you have to dig up a lot of junk to get these good targets that I'm digging out. A lot of hours. I spend a lot of hours every week in this park. You know, it's almost a full-time job for me in this park the last few months. 20 to 25. Some weeks I'm hunting for 30, 35 hours in this park. I've just been beating it up for the last few months and starting to pull a lot of better targets out, right? I've been hunting on this park for over 25 years, probably 27 years. And I've just pulled up a lot of iron out of this park. And every time I come to this park, I get at least something. You know, at least something good, no matter what machine I'm using, right? Every time I go to every site, I get at least something. A lot of times that something is foil, a bunch of nails. But I have noticed that I've been digging a lot of nails lately in this park. You know, just learning the machines, you know, learning the Nocta Legend and learning the Deus 2. You know, when you first start learning a machine, you're going to be digging up a lot of junk. You know, even with the Deus 1, when I was first learning that machine, I was digging up a lot of nails. And I'm pretty much getting past that point to where I'm digging up a lot of nails with both the Nocta Legend and the Deus. You know, I can't really run the Deus in full tones right now. Just the tones aren't very good in full tones. But when it's performing this good in pitch tones, I really don't care about full tones anymore. If I wanted to run a machine that has full tones like in the top lots, I'll just use my Deus 1. Right, I'm never gonna get rid of my Deus 1, man. It's just the ultimate machine in tot lots, man. Nothing can beat it because it's so lightweight, and I can do a tot lot in just a few minutes, swinging fast, and just do 10 tot lots a day. You know, just going from tot lot to tot lot and just beating them up, just getting a lot of coins and jewelry and rings and stuff. But I think the Deus 2 is a really good relic machine. You know, it can really separate iron really good, just like the Deus 1. You know, but the Deus 1, you know, it's not waterproof. And on days like this, you know, I'm not really going to ruin my machine because I have my Deus underneath my chin all the time anyway. You know, so it's pretty much tucked away. I really don't get it wet. So, and the coils are waterproof. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.